Welcome back to Cooking with SBG. I hope you guys had a happy new year. Let's bring 2021 in with some Nashville Hot Chicken inspired by our cooking. Let's go ahead and get straight into it. Quick ingredients: maple syrup, light pink salt, and of course, Nashville Hot Chicken. Let's go ahead and get to it. Get your nice sharper knife. Trim these lollipop chicken legs. Nice and easy. It's all about your material. I like sharp knives, make things so much easier. Please don't cut yourself. As such, just pull that and discard it. So if you like me, I like to be somewhat neat. Boom. Discard it. Let's go ahead and do it one more time. You can go as high as I like to not cut too much or damage the meat too badly, so I'm right at that sweet spot. Feel for that little tendon. There you go, once you cut it. Use your thumb, get in there, pull it back, as such. And discard. You can come back at the end or you can just do it now and trim it up for presentations. Don't forget, we're gonna cover these with aluminum foil so we have a nice pretty bone once completed for presentation purposes. As such, trim as needed. Boom. Let me go ahead and finish these next 3 legs and we'll get to the next ingredients. Hey guys, we have our chicken nice and trimmed. Let's go ahead and check it out. This is optional. I like to pat dry my chicken from any remaining moisture as such. And if I didn't say previously in the video, we'll be pairing this Nashville hot chicken seasoning with pan-seared green beans. You can use olive oil. I'll be using a quick press pan for oil purposes. Nice and easy. Let's go ahead and get to the chopping board. So I have some of my Nashville hot seasoning. Just put it in a bowl as such. Let's go ahead and grab one of your wings that we just sprayed. Generous. Don't be afraid to coat this leg. Check it out, guys. Nice and coated. Even do a double coat if you have to. Hey guys, let me finish coating the rest of these legs. See you guys in a few. Hey guys, we're back. Don't forget the most important part to me, aluminum foil. Let's go ahead and wrap our edges. We want those nice, crisp, not my word, burnt bones. Presentation purpose. And literally just tear a piece of foil as such, wrap it. Literally. Boom. Literally, you can tear with your hand. I already have my grill. This isn't a how to grill tutorial, so we'll be putting these on a grill, indirect heat method. And don't forget, we'll be doing pan-seared green beans. And let's get to the stove. Hey guys, don't forget one of the most important ingredients of the Nashville chicken is the syrup. We're going to go ahead and pour our syrup in here as such. We're going to get a nice little sizzle. I'm going to literally put my pot in my grill as such. I want to get a nice little warm condensation. We're going to dip these in here. See you guys in just a little bit. Hey guys, As you can see, the syrup is nice and caramelized. This means it's heated. We'll do a nice little drip method. Get a nice good drip. You don't want any flare-ups in your grill. Woo, fumble! Gotcha, just joking. Let's go ahead and get that nice little drizzle. As such, check it out, guys. Nice little turn. Let's get that nice little drip. I have about 10 or 15 more pieces. See you guys inside with the finished product. We back, we're done. Hopefully you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. It was a pleasure. Until next time, cooking with SBG, subscribe now.